Hi guys, so today I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make a GIF on your phone to use on Canvas, on a website, just to have to send to people, whatever you want to do. All right, so some people say GIF, GIF, the jury's still out on how to say it, so we're just going to make do with whatever I say, and that's going to be that. So we'll just say GIF because that's just easier. So first things first, you want to take a picture and make sure it's live. So you know it's live with that left-hand corner up at the top. You can see the little, it looks like a bullseye and the live symbol. It's live. It has that. You want it to be live because you want your movements on there. So you want to be able to see your picture. So what I do is I just set a self timer and take live pictures. So after you have your live pictures, you're going to swipe up on the picture in your camera section. And then you're going to go over to bounce. This essentially makes it like a boomerang in your camera. So you're going to go ahead and do that for all of the live pictures that you want to create a GIF out of. GIF, whatever the word is. I don't even know, guys. Okay, let's try that again. Bounce. And you can see up in the left-hand corner when it creates it and changes it from a live to a bounce, it says bounce there now. It's no longer saying live. So that's when you know it's complete. Should only take a couple of seconds. So now you have your bounce images created. So you're going to go to whatever internet access you like to use. So I'm using Safari just because it's on my phone. And you see up in the URL, just go to unscreen.com and this will create a free GIF for you. So you're going to upload clip, photo, and then you're going to go to whichever one you want to upload. So let's do this. Done. All right, here we go. It's uploaded. Choose. And now it's going to create your GIF for you. GIF. That's going to bother me. All right, it's loading. All right, now you see how that nasty, crusty background is all gone. And so now when you upload it into your Canvas, into your website, whatever you're going to use, it's going to be blank. It's going to be a white background or blend into whatever background you're going to implement it onto. Then you're going to download it and you're going to view it. So you see now it's plain, clear background. They're going to save it. So I like to save it to my phone. But then I also go ahead and I save it to my iCloud so I can access it from the computer and I don't have to worry about emailing it to myself. So I go to save to files. I already have an iCloud folder for it and I just save there. Keep both and then I'm done. So there you go. Good luck.